so excited for today's fall harvest smoothie. This is a smoothie that's going to welcome in the cool days of fall, and I think you're going to love it. It's also high in protein and low in fat. We're going to start with a half cup of soy milk. Then we're going to add a half cup of ice, followed by 1/2 of a frozen banana, 1/2 cup of chopped Granny Smith apples, 1/4 cup of frozen cranberries, 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and finally 1 teaspoon of pecans. Let's give that a whiz. I am so excited to try this one. I can't wait to hear what you guys think in the comment section. Such a pretty color. Let's see how it tastes. This is perfect. It's the perfect fall drink. So check out my other fall smoothies. I've got some really good ones coming up and also some from last week. And be sure to subscribe to my channel and see the recipe below in the description section.